Okay, I am going to try to attempt to put this trellis together without instructions. My husband started on one part, but he didn't really start. I originally, when I received the trellis, I opened it up and the fumes of it was really loud. I guess the stain fumes. So I brought them outside. I went out of town. I said, oh, maybe I'll put the trellis together. I come back, he put the sides halfway together and left it at that. And they right here. So it's the little parts that I need to focus on. From the looks of this, it's the 1 and 2s go together. That's what I keep like. This is not even right with the frames there. Yep, that's it. The 1 and 2 is gonna go together. So I will come back to you, but I'm thinking I got it together pretty much. Okay, with the size, that's pretty much easy. It's gonna be 1 and 2s and match it up together. But the overhang is what I'm concerned about. So I might have to go look at a couple more videos to make sure I get it right. But I'll show you when I finish it all. All right. Thanks for hanging in there with me. I might have to get another can of this. It's American chestnut tunable base, semi-transparent, semi-solid. But I might have to get another. And I want it to be transparent so that make sure my thing is on. I want it to transparent. And my camera seems like it's crooked. Be transparent so it will be the natural wood tones will flow through. And my daughter tells me, "Mom, are you going to seal it?" I'm thinking, do I really need to? And so on this arbor, now this side has the slants, like you can feel it, right? That's going horizontal. And the vertical ones on the outside. But on the other side, the ones that's going horizontal is on the outside and not on the inside. And I'm thinking, is it my mistake? And it wasn't. I did exactly what the instructions says do and try to twist it up. But like I said, if you're that close to
to tell the difference. You see that mistake? It's fine, but I already started staining and stuff. I even started staining, but I'm like, I'm not gonna take this loose and send it back. I'm wasting my time. I'm wasting my time. Good morning, friends and family. Welcome to Life with G. I am still working on my Arbor. I managed to put it together, and now I'm staining it. And yeah, it's turning out pretty good. I'm gonna turn it around so you can get a better view of it. I have it laying down on my porch. But this is the color it is now, and I'm getting it into a darker color. But this is where I'm at. And those items over there, I need to screw them on, but I'm not going to screw it on until, I might screw one on one side, and then when I flip it, I'll do the other side. But yeah, I'm just doing my little staining process. I was using the sponges, but now I think I'm just using my brush, which is fine. And all these little ants, but I'm outside in a area, so there you go on that. But thanks for joining me today. Okay, I managed to stand my Arbor up, and now I'm working on the lower half. And that noise in the background is thunder. But anyway, I bought these legs, metal legs, and it's to repair a fence. But I decided, hey, I purchased 4 of them from Amazon, and I'm putting one on each leg. And, well, I'm not doing it. My husband will be doing it. And this way I don't have to worry about cement or anything. We just hammer it down into the ground. And it's pretty sturdy. And I was trying to think, okay, which way to do it. But I decided on the middle. But yeah, and like I said, I'm going to let my husband do all the drilling. But here you go. I purchased 4, one for each leg. It came in 2 parts for each leg. That's the bottom, and the first one I showed you was the top. I think it's gonna be okay. Pretty sturdy. It's definitely getting warm. I think it's supposed to get up to 85 today, which isn't bad. But let me continue. I did 2 legs already, and then I have 2 more legs to go. And hopefully by then, my husband would have went to the store and got me some more stain. And if not, I'll move on to another project because I need to clean out my garbage surround thing. And my friend bought me another container where I can store my flower pots. So I'll be doing that. It's always something to do around the house. Always something. So hold on. I can't wait till I show you the end product. It won't be long.